Hi, my name is Maggie, and I am a part-time hairstylist and a full-time stay-at-home mama. Don't be fooled by the makeup today. We went to church this morning, and somehow I managed to make it there and home without losing my ever-loving mind. So I'm chalking it up as a win today. But just like you, I am in the thick of motherhood. The endless amounts of laundry and cooking and cleaning and chauffeuring kids from location to location because their social life is more important than ours. But I've dreamed for this. I prayed for this. I wanted to be the mom that was present. I wanted to be the mom that got to run my kids from location to location. I wanted to be here every night for dinner. I wanted to be the one to tuck them in every night. Before, I didn't have that. Before, I was a slave to the salon. I was working full-time while also decorating for weddings and events. And if I couldn't book a wedding, if I couldn't be behind the chair, we didn't get paid. Life 7 years ago was quite different than it is today. I just wanted to be that mom that was present. I just wanted to be the mom that could be there at the drop of a hat when her kids needed her. And 7 years ago, somebody presented an opportunity to me to sell shampoo on the internet, of all things. I wanted nothing to do with it. I wanted nothing to do with network marketing in general. I had no experience whatsoever. But I knew that if nothing changed, nothing was going to change. So I jumped in with both feet, and now I sell shampoo on the internet. And it's changed my family's life. And it could change your family's life too. I'd love to share more with you. I would love to hear what your hopes and your goals and your dreams are. And maybe we can link arms and change your life the way that it changed my life. So if you want to chat, slide into them DMs because they're always open and you can always find me scrolling on my phone.